Around the body pass is a kettlebell exercise, but we are going to do two variations. One with the kettlebell, and if you do not have kettlebell accessible to you, we are also going to do it with a dumbbell. So the way you do this exercise is grab your kettlebell. You're going to have your feet hip width apart. Shoulders are back and down. You're going to start with your kettlebell in your right hand. And we are going to pass it to our left and go all the way around our back. Slight bend in the knee, and it's very important to keep that core tight this entire exercise. So make sure you really focus on that, because this will strengthen your abdominal wall as well as your obliques. So we're going to start here. We're going to pass over to our left hand and behind us and all the way around. You're going to swing it in front of you. Keep those abs super tight all the way around and the other direction. Keep those shoulders back and down, chest up, abs tight, tight, tight. Okay, so that is with our kettlebell. So now we're going to do it with our dumbbell. So take your dumbbell, exact same positioning, abs tight, hand it from hand to hand. Now you may want to do this with a lighter weight to start so you can get the technique down. And the other direction. And to it, you can do it slower so you can make sure that you don't drop the dumbbell or the kettlebell until you get it down really well. So that is our two variations.